Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to draw in Droyo. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Droyo, I want you to click the start button. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Drawing in Droyo is a powerful tool for creating visual representations of ideas, workflows, and data. Typically, it'll involve creating shapes and connecting elements to build diagram. All right. Now, first off is once you have created your account in Droyo, all right, I want you to do two things. Number one is open the Droyo, the desktop application. Or if you're using the online version, just choose a blank canvas or a template. All right. Now, in my case, just go to the left side panel of your dashboard. You would notice that Droyo offers basic drawing tools. All right. It has built-in tools for creating shapes, lines, and text. Now, before starting drawing something here, I'm going to add a file or a picture from my device. Right, so I'm going to add a photo of an image. Now, you see, we can add basic shapes like going to the shapes pad here. You can drag elements here using the scratch pad, all right? All right, file name is scratch pad, and you can drag images or URLs here. And then go to the general section. You see, there's a lot of options here for the general. You can draw a simple box right here, draw a simple like an oblong shapes. There's a lot that you can work with. All right, you can draw an arrow pointing towards the interconnected relationships of this. For example, this right here, I'm gonna put in here, I'm gonna put it here. So it's a very easy drag and drop kind of feel from the left panel. And of course, you can basically adjust these shapes by pressing all of them if you wanted. Now, you see on the style, you can choose from any of the following. If you wanted to use a different color, background color for your shapes, you can do that here without seemingly a complicated process. Not only that, you can also use some line and arrow. Go to the miscellaneous. You can draw, let's say, for example, image fixed right here. You can put it inside of it. You can also draw something like a box inside of it. You see that? You can choose some different color here. So you can do a lot. For example, this zigzag, creating a distinction and going here, connecting, right? And then you can also draw maybe the more advanced. For example, this. You can put in the shape right here. Maybe we're going to add, it's gonna be like the eyes. I'm gonna copy it. And then maybe this one is gonna be the mouth, right? And then let's create a nose, if you can, if you could. Maybe it's gonna be the nose right here. All right, so we have the nose. Now the next thing is like a semi eyebrow. All right, so we have that. Of course, we can change the color of this if you want. Maybe we can put in something like this inside of it. Go to the basic if you want. If you want, for example, this is inside the all right, so basically that's how you draw shapes here. You can put in maybe this, draw some arrows, kind of like a pointing on a cone. And of course, you can customize your drawing by selecting a shape and or a line. Use the style panel to change the fill text right here if you want, and click the arrange button if you want it. All right. Now, once you are happy with this diagram that you have drawn using the platform, you have multiple options right here. You see the share button on the upper right corner. Click on it, and you will need to save this now to Google Drive before you can collaborate. All right. And of course, all you have to do is integrate or connect your Google Drive account, and then go to the upper left corner where you have the options to save it. I'm gonna click on the this one. You have an option for the when saving it. Is it gonna be an XML file, editable bitmap image, vector image, and HTML file? And you also have an option for the save and the export. If you want to export it as a PNG, JPEG, WebP, SVG, PDF, you have all these options. You can choose to check the options for a page view, cropping factor, grid, and transparent background if you want. Now, if you are planning to make a copy of it, click this, and you would be forwarded to the other page, right? So you have created a copy of this file, so it's going to be a backup data, right? So again, you have multiple options to export these to your desired file types in the export as. Now, if you wanted to print this, you might want to click on the page setup first. You can choose from any of the following formats, from US letter to US legal, tabloid, and of course from A1s until A7 and B4 to B5. And if you have a custom size, click on it. Click the background changes if you want. For the print section, now seemingly, as you can see, the interface is user-friendly with a drag and drop functionality. You can drag as many as pre-drawn shapes right here with no complex software installation or steep learning curve as needed. It supports a wide range of diagrams, organizational charts, and maps. So you can have one. It's all the shapes here is highly customizable and allowing you to tailor the design to your needs. And of course, in terms of the integration, basically Droyo seamlessly integrates with the tools like Google Drive, OneDrive, and GitHub for easy sharing. And multiple users can collaborate in real time, making it a great for teamwork. We always use this a lot because it is also a web-based platform accessible from any device with an internet connection. It also offers the offline mode within the desktop application. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.